Hello viewers, I'm TheRevDev and I'm back with another beginner's scripting tutorial. And if you remember last video we were doing else and else if statements. And we did if statements as well. They're pretty important and we'll be using them in today's video as well. So what is today's video? Well, today's video will be about functions. Now, what is a function? Well, basically a function is like, I'm going to try to explain it really the best way I can. A function is like, you can create a function with a name, like you can create something with a name, then you can put code inside, it's basically like a list. You can put code inside of that, then you can call it later, so it's a bit confusing, but I'll explain it, so yeah. So I'm going to workspace and create a script. So yeah, first off you might be asking, how do you create a function? Well, first thing you need to do is type function. That's it. But you can't just do function, that won't work. So that's what you're just defining it as a function. And you press space. And now this is like a variable. You get to name it whatever you want. So remember my variable video, you can call it anything you want. So we can call this my first function. But if you want, you can call it, you can call it melons or pizza, or is clicking or something like that, or ammo, whatever. But I'm going to call it my first function. And what we're going to do, we can't just do this won't work, so we've got to just do open bracket, close bracket. Press space and there you go. This is a function. These parentheses here are important. Without them, this will not be a function. It won't. So what we're going to do, inside of here, we're going to do, so basically we can put anything we want in there, like I said. So let's just do some basic print hello. No, okay. Right, now if we just run the game, watch this, nothing will happen. It's still loading. Okay, while it's loading, I'm gonna quickly tell you guys about my new Discord. So basically, I've got a Discord account and I've made a Discord server. So this is the TheRevDev's official Discord. I will leave a invite link to the description. ME6 is obviously controlling all this. And what you do here is obviously in a general chat you can talk about anything. Basically in that you just basically ask for scripting help. You share your scripting. Help others. We're here to be nice. No toxic. No being toxic. Alright, let's get back into the video. So, as you see here, this game's running. This function here, nothing's been printed out. This is because we haven't called the function. So you run it, nothing here. So you're like, well, how do you call the function? How do you make it run? All you gotta do is type my first function with the brackets like this. And this is calling it. And you see, hello, print hello. And you can actually call it as many times as you want. So like, you can call it 3 times. Call it a few times, it will say hello 3 times, like that. That is really neat in my opinion. And you might be asking, wait, RevDev, what's the point of having a function if, like, without this function you can just do print hello. You can just do this. You can literally print it 3 times. Why do you need a function? Well, the reason I think functions are useful is because you can store something here. It's basically like a variable. If you want to change it later on, obviously all the scripts, if you want to change something here, and when you call it later, you don't have to go through it again and change it. It's not as complicated. And basically you're storing it, so obviously it's more easier to write this out. You know what I mean? So yeah. Now, I'm not going to do printing. I'll make it fun. I'll actually do something interesting. So let's delete all this, and we'll make a script with a part. So what we're going to do is actually not just doing printing. We're going to put a part right here, and what we're going to do, we're going to anchor it, bring it up, and we're going to make a script that changes the color of it. And yes, I know I've already done this, but we're using it with function instead. So we're going to get the part, we're going to rename it. I'll make it bigger. I'll make it a bit bigger. Glitches on. Okay, there you go. So if you join the game now, no, not run. So yeah, this is just a part. It's anchored and everything. So obviously, if you watch my first tutorial, you know how to put parts in. And I think, yeah. Sorry, guys, my PC is very slow, so it will take a bit longer to load. So let's just do that now. Right. So here, this block part here is just here, whatever, anchored. Yeah. So we'll make a change in color script. Actually, we can make a we'll just make a change color. Okay. So rename the part just to like, you know, wool or wool. Then we're gonna put a script inside. This is the parent. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a function color change. Obviously this can be anything you want, but this is our function. And actually I forgot to define the wool, which okay, yeah. So what this means is basically the script. This is the script and the parent of it, which is here. So that's the wool. So I'm going to do function wool dot brick color, not back surface, dot brick color is equal to brick color dot random, right? So what it's going to do, every time we call this function, so when we call this function, this wool will change a random color every time. We'll change a random color. Oh my god, so sorry guys. But yeah, I was thinking maybe we could. Okay, there we go. See, it's turning into like brown color. It's random. If we do it again, it goes to this beigey type color, oyster. So that's what we're doing. Every time we call this function, it'll change the brick color. Now, I was thinking what we could do is add a loop and make it loop through and keep changing color. But I'll leave that for next video. I'll do a while. Next video I'll do while loops, and I'll do the same thing here. So what we could do, we'll make it loop through these colors. So it will loop through this, which means this will change color like every 0.5 seconds of the loop. But we'll do loops next video. And I know we're asking, what are these brackets here? Well, this is where you add your parameters. So you know you can add a parameter here. But after the while loop video, I'll do parameters soon. But we'll do loop videos tomorrow. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more beginner tutorial scripting videos and later advanced, then hit the subscribe button. That's important. And turn on the bell, because you don't want to miss any of this. And please join my Discord server. It will also announce when I upload a new video. So don't just turn on the bell, but if you join the Discord server, it'll tell you when I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it. Join the server. Right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.